Like what I've realized is me being a youth as well, like, and what I think is good, like what I think should happen is that we should have like events like for people our age that are like
Yes.
struggling for like mental health, they're struggling through their personal life, financial difficulties. They should have like courses, like things that are fun, like to
Yes.
come to. So, like some people might just think, oh, I'm going to the mosque. You know what? Oh, like in a not in a bad way, but like oh, it's probably it might be a little bit boring, something like
Definitely.
that around them lines. We need to make it more interactive. So
Yes.
like we need to have like say like for instance like snooker clubs or like things that you need to do like people
Yes.
like that they want to do like
Yes, all the halal aspects that the youth
yeah
like, we should try and provide for them. That's
of
what
course
my message, obviously, to myself as well and our masjid and other masajid out there, that we should improvise. Now, many people say we can't improvise that in the masjid or in the
yeah
neighborhood of the masjid. No problem. Then improvise it in the, at least do that in a nearby area.
yeah
So you're one street away from the masjid or two streets away from the masjid where you're holding these activities. So when it's time for salah, you can tell the youngsters, okay, come on, it's time for salah, let's wrap up, let's go to the masjid. And they would be willing to do that. But
Could-
because they're hidden away in their homes and, behind their
Yeah.
PS4, PS5, it's very hard to get them out.
bro like I know how it gets, man. I've had them days where I've just been like, oh, you know what, I'm just staying in my room, I'm just chilling, just not doing nothing. And like obviously that has a big negative effect on kids our age, bro, because we feel as men, and men in general, they just feel like, oh, you know what, I don't want to talk, I don't want to talk, I don't want to talk.
Mentally it drains them out.
Yeah,
All these TV games, or what you can say, all these uh, what you call PS5, PS4, and all that. Because look, mentally your mind is working day in and day out. You're looking for points, you're looking for goals, you're looking for targets, and physically you're doing nothing.
yeah,
So what happens is now your brain and your physical body activity is on a different level.
yeah,
So then later on, when you want to do something, when someone is talking to your own parent, your mom would be talking to you, your dad would be talking to you, or your brothers would be talking to you, be like, you don't know what's
don't
happening.
know what to do.
So that's the way our youth are actually not taking.
Like also what I think that like masjid should do is like provide some sort of counselling and like to do with like domestics and like drug problems and stuff like this, because in this day and age nowadays in the whole of the UK, the whole world really, the drug rates are going up, crime rates are going up because everything's getting more expensive. So in regards to this, that's what I think masjid should do nowadays, provide some sort of counselling, some sort of therapy sessions, and like just make everything fun for the youth. So then they think instead of going out and doing crazy kind of things, crime and stuff like this, yeah, they'd rather just think, oh lads, let's just go to the mosque, sisters, let's go to the mosque. So everyone can be like, you know what, it's like when more people are here, then you're gonna see that it's gonna get full. Like
Yes.
even Jummah today, it was ram-packed. Like there's not even space to sit. That's how it should be.
Yes.
Just for normal salahs. This is how it
Yes.
should be. That's the
Definitely.
brief
So
reality
that's
of it.
if every masjid can play their role in terms of
Yeah.
this, then it makes a big difference.
That's the thing.